Forecast from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy start of the work week. It's much quieter out there compared to yesterday when we did see some severe weather in our south counties. For the most part, that did pass south of the state line, moving much more drier air in, at least for the time being, though. And we are seeing warmer temperatures out there today. Temperatures did make it into the upper 70s, lower 80s. Not as warm as what we're forecasting for tomorrow, though, when we are back to near 90 degrees in the upper 80s. It's going to feel very warm out there. Heat index values are going to be higher than that in the lower 90s to even the mid 90s out there. Not going to last long, though. Wednesday will be down to 72 degrees in the lower 70s, right near that 70-degree mark. Thursday and Friday, much cooler air does move back in the 60s, lower 60s at best both of those days. So it is going to stay cool out there. Not for long, though. We do make it back into the lower 70s on Saturday, thinking we'll hold that pattern right near 70 degrees on Sunday as well. So it will be brief, but it definitely is going to feel like fall out there for the first day of fall on Thursday. 80 right now at the Chicago Rockford International Airport, 81 up in Janesville, 79 in Rochelle, 82 in Sterling, 81 is your current temperature this afternoon in Savannah. Dew points not a big factor today. They're in the upper 50s, lower 60s, so it's not that muggy out there. Dew points are going to continue to trend downward at least for the next couple of hours before they are going to shoot up to near 70 degrees tomorrow. So dew points definitely going to be a factor out there tomorrow afternoon. It will be humid out there. That's not going to last that long. It will stay that way Tuesday into Wednesday before they do come back down to comfortable levels, even below the 50-degree mark. So it will be comfortable out there for the second half, and then as we end the work week, we do see that drier and cooler air move in. Here's our SkyTrack camera. It's sponsored by Mercy Health, located in Freeport. We do have some golfers out there. It is a picture-perfect day. Light winds, sunshine did return to our skies, and temperature is really nice out there. It is a little bit above average, but overall a very nice day. So we're not tracking any cloud cover, no rain across the state line. Tomorrow that could be a different story, thinking most of us are probably going to stay dry. This system probably going to pass just to our north, but the Storm Prediction Center does have some of our areas under a marginal risk. That's lower level. That I'll show that in just a minute. But thinking most of us are going to stay dry. A couple of us could see some showers, though. The first initial showers tomorrow morning, that would be along a warm front, and then later in the overnight hours into Wednesday, that would be along a cold front. That's what's going to bring our temperatures down from tomorrow into Wednesday. So this is what I was talking about. Most of southern Wisconsin, central, and then up to Green Bay is included in that marginal risk. Some of McHenry County in northern Illinois and a very sliver of the northeast side of Boone County is included in that too, but I think most of the severe weather, they do see any is going to stay just north of here. Winds are going to get pretty gusty, though. Right now they're not a factor. You saw that flag on our SkyTrack camera. It wasn't waving in the wind at all, but we are going to see the winds pick up. Southerly direction tomorrow briefly. That'll warm us up, but then they are going to come back out of a northeasterly pattern. That's what's going to cool us down for the days to come after that, and our winds are going to stay fairly gusty then. We will see them come down a little bit as we're heading into Thursday. You can see those green arrows. That's about 5 to 10 miles per hour, but you did see them briefly pick up that yellow to orange color. That's about 20 to 25 miles per hour. So this warmer air that's building south of here and then over the Great Plains, that's going to move across our region. But as you can see, that cooler air that's building north of here, that's actually going to spread across the Great Plains, the Pacific Northwest, and over the Midwest as well. So that's going to make its way to our area, making it feel much colder out there and much more fall-like. So seasonal. It's actually going to be a little bit below average, though, on Thursday and Friday. So we go from an above average temperature pattern tomorrow to below normal temperatures. We'll have one day in the middle on Wednesday when temperatures will be right at the average temperature, high of 74. 60, that's your overnight low. Clouds do increase. We are going to be talking about a chance for showers, though, tomorrow. Some sunshine. It will be hot, 88 degrees. Temperatures, though, are going to stay in the upper 80s, close to that 90-degree mark, but heat index values are going to surge into the lower to even upper 90s, so just make sure that you are staying safe out there. Temperatures then, been talking about it all day. The 60s come back into play Thursday and Friday, but then the 70s are back at least for the weekend. Eric?